In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security, Password and Security over here. Then click on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Start at the bottom. Select Next after 5 seconds in Attention pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then name your face data however you want to, and when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that it's working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!